Hey, it's Rachel from the Life Facilitator, and I am going to do a plan with me today. For the first week of October, I am using the Cocoa Daisy Autumn Whispers Classic Planner Sticker Kit. And to start, I'm actually going to add a few of the stickers into my Daisy Dory. This is the week's size Daisy Dory. I am adding these checklist stickers because I have started using this side of the color block page as a little wins list. So each week adding just a couple of like personal victories into my Daisy weeks. And if you're interested in seeing what that looks like, what that looked like for September, I will have a September wrap-up video coming out soon. So I wanted to do a plan with me where I'm just using one sticker kit and to show the different ways that I utilize stickers in my planning to actually help me both like keep up with tasks, but also, let's be honest, to make the page look kind of cute. So I have a lot of my very functional items on around the page. So you'll notice on the column to the left, I have a day tracker, and that will be for menu planning. And then I have a habit tracker along the bottom. I have checklists in that bottom section. And then on the other side of the page, slightly more fun but still kind of functional, is my currently list for the week. I like to use alpha stickers to sort of block time each day in my schedule. So you can see for Monday, I have work for the morning block, and then Wednesday I have content for the afternoon block. This just helps me very quickly see what my focus is for the day. I don't want to, when I'm pre-planning, I don't want to pre-plan too much in case things change, but I do like to have a general sense of where my day is going. And so that's why this is a lot of what the stickers are doing, is it's helping me create sort of my focus for the day and for the week. Now that I have most of my main sort of the weekly overview, I am adding in the extra things. So I do like to schedule when I go to the grocery store. I like to block clean or sort of batch. I like to batch tasks. That's what I'm trying to say. And so for cleaning, I like to do it kind of all in one fell swoop, and blocking it off on a day of the week reminds me not to schedule other things during that time. That way I can make things like cleaning, meal prep, that kind of thing, almost like its own appointment. And then for areas that I know of the week that I don't have a lot going on, these are perfect areas to add decorations. So for Sunday mornings, and Sundays in general in my household, is just pretty chill. And that's a choice my husband and I have made, to make Sundays pretty chill. And so I know that Sunday morning isn't going to have some, important thing happening. And so it's a perfect place to put a decorative element. And then this Saturday cluster, Saturdays in the fall, let's be honest, is at least for me, is college football time. And so there's two teams that I tend to watch for college football. University of Miami, because we are here, and then also the University of Memphis, which is where we used to live. And so we follow those two teams, and so I like to note those games in my planner. And I also use this layout. In my mind, it's basically hourly, without the hours. So morning, afternoon, evening, sort of for the columns. And so when I'm using icon stickers or really any stickers, I have that in mind. So when I see something like do a wash on Thursday, I know that, like, okay, that's something I need to do in the morning. And now that most of the items are on the page, I'm just going in with a few decorative items for now. I will definitely add more items later. But so here I am filling in my habit tracker. And so I hope you enjoyed this video and to see how I use this sticker kit in my classic size planner. Let me know if you have any questions. Talk to you later.